Good morning, Year 4. It's Thursday and it's week 9, lesson 4. Draw on a grid. So today I'd like you to choose whether you want to do developing and expected or expected and greater depth. Okay, we're just going to have a quick run through developing and expected, and if you're going on to greater depth, then you know the questions will be the same in nature, just a little more complex. All right. And of course, if you want to do all three sheets, that's fine. Okay. Right, so we know we're on our reasoning and problem solving. Okay, so you should know RTQ, read the question. ATQ, answer the question. All right, so 1A, Zach is plotting coordinates, explain his mistake. So we've got coordinates 3, 2, 5, 1, and it comes down to your understanding that we worked on yesterday, that this is the X value and this is the Y value, always X first, okay, and the Y value. So if we look at this, there should be 5, 1, so come along 5 and up 1, so there should be a point here, okay, all right, and if we look at this one, 3, 2, go along 3, up 2, okay, there should be a point there. I'm now going to look and see what's happened. Here is come along 2, up 3, and this one is come along 1, up 5. Okay, so here I think you will be able to explain what mistake this person has made. All right, make sure you do that. Okay, you could stick this in your book and then write the explanation at the side. Okay, 2A, identify and plot 4 pairs of coordinates, each with a total of less than 5. So it's just our coordinates. Okay, so we could have 1, 1, we need 4 pairs, 2, 1, and the rule is that if you add the digits together, they've got to be less than 5. Okay, so if you find the total of the 2 digits in the brackets, it's got to be less than 5. All right, and 3A, plot 1 missing coordinate to make a letter made up of straight lines. All right, so you need to kind of like go through the alphabet to work out what letter you could make just up of straight lines with only one other coordinate. Okay, and this one I'm going to show you where the coordinate is going to go. Right, you will join it up and see what letter you've made. Okay, so we're just going to have a very quick shoot through the expected. So Isabella's plotting coordinates, explain her mistake. So I should imagine it will be a very similar mistake to the one on developing. You've just got a bigger grid to deal with and more coordinates. Maybe not all of them are incorrect. 5A, identify and plot this time 6 pairs of coordinates, each with a total of less than 10. Okay, so you can do that, work accurately. And the last one that we're going to quickly look at, this time we've got to plot 2 missing coordinates to make a letter made up of straight lines. So we've got our first one here, okay, right, and you're going to need to work your way through the alphabet to work out where you could plot a coordinate, right, and I'm going to give you, so you would come up here, down there, you're going to use a ruler, I know it's unusual for me not to, okay, up there, and you should see you've made a capital. All right, so you're using those two missing coordinates to make a letter of the alphabet in straight lines, okay? And obviously I'm expecting you to do the other sort of questions on the other side as well, okay? So, and if you go on to greater depth, make sure you read the question, answer the question, work systematically, work hard, people, and have fun.